This is a drum groove that you've probably heard everyone and their mum try and play, so here's how you play it. So the one steady part about this whole thing is that your right hand is going to be playing eighth notes through the whole thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you've also got a backbeat on 2 and 4. So on beats 2 and 4 you're always going to be putting a nice big snare drum. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now before we start adding all the spicy stuff, I want you to get used to doing this. Going right, left, 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 and making the left hand really quiet. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. And this is where things get spicy because we're counting 16th notes, people. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So basically every new limb is a new sound. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Keeping the left really quiet. And we're doing this because you want to get used to playing little ghost notes in between these hi-hats, because this is what this groove is all about. Now, going back to the groove. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're going to be putting a little ghost note on the of 2. So 2 E and 2 E and It's good to break grooves like this down into individual beats so you can get used to the individual sections, because they come up a lot in lots of other grooves. So you'll have just hands 1 and 2 and Then straight away after that, we're going to have another ghost note on the E. Remember, these are always falling in between your hi-hats. So again, we'll just go up to that bit. 1 and 2 E and 3 E. Then it's relatively smooth sailing after this, because all you got to do is beat 4, which is just 4 and 4 E and I'm saying E, but there's nothing being played there. 4 and So we stick it all together, get used to the hands first. 1 and 2 E and 3 E and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 and Now the bass drum. First one is on 1, so that's nice and easy. Now the second one is on the and of 3, so it's coming just before the snare drum on 4. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 and 1. If you're wondering if this is going on in my head constantly, basically yes. Eventually it does stop and it just becomes noises in my brain. But that comes later, I promise. For now, keep counting.